fortunate and blessed are we to be co-inhabitants with the amazing people from the animal kingdom that grace and colour our planet. In countless beneficial ways, they add beauty and joy to our lives. Their nobility through unconditional love, loyalty, and heroic life-saving actions is a constant source of wonder and inspiration. What would our world be like without our fun and intelligent animal friends? We simply could not imagine it. Thanks be to the Providence for all the cherished animal kingdom people. May we always honour their God-given precious lives as we honour a part of ourselves.
Save the most endangered, the human species, by being vegan.
Last call to turn vegan and repent sincerely.
Please be careful now. You have to turn vegan now to protect yourself. And I want to say to everybody, this is my last offer, last call. If you turn vegan and repent sincerely, I will really take you to heaven, guaranteed. Within 6 months from today, as the last call, I won't be allowed to do much more than that. After this last call, without initiation, it will not be guaranteed for just anyone. You will have to try harder, fending for yourself.
Watch the Fly-In News Last Call to Turn Vegan and Repent Sincerely, free for download at suprememastertv.com.